Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm doing a walkthrough video on this brand new 2026 Sea Ray SLX 280 outboard that we just got in stock. This one is in the quantum blue color. We got a sharp white boot stripe on this one. This one comes with your windlass anchor. It's automatic. This one has your docking lights. It even has the illuminated badge emblem. We have lights. This has a lighting package, so you have lighting throughout. You see the side skirt lighting there. We even have underwater lights in the back. This one is powered by twin 250 Mercury outboards. It's got the joystick package as well. The tower is a power tower. This one clamshell, so that'll come down right flush on the windshield. It's super convenient, and you even have an extended shade off the back. So we'll jump on the inside. I'll show you the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. We have a nice big swim platform, massive lounger here to enjoy as well. Tons of storage underneath this. We got side storage. Fit just about anything in there. You got a 12-volt charger there for any of your inflatables. That communicates through. You can access this storage through the bench seats up there. On the back here, we also have built-in cooler right on the aft. You'll notice we have our speaker grills here too. You got two of them, one on each side. So you got some sound pushing out the back as well. We have an insert for your ski tow. We have a telescoping ladder here on the starboard side. Moving into the boat here, we got a couple features on the walkthrough. We have storage on the walkthrough. We have a plug-in for your batteries, charge your batteries on the boat with just an extension cord. We even have our stern wash down here as well. We got a billet door for the walkthrough if you want to keep this closed off. We also have some chargers for your passengers, all of your devices, and we even have a stereo head built in to the lounger as well. Moving on in, we have a nice side step here, wood side step, really luxurious. Coming on in further, we got a nice conversational area here in this boat, tons of seating, storage underneath all of your seats. This one even has a kick-out door here if you want to slide a cooler or something underneath there. It's a little heavier. Again, we have tons of storage on this side as well. That communicates to the back storage that I mentioned earlier. We have a table insert, so you get a table for the cockpit area, also one for the front. Over behind the helm chair here, we have a built-in cooler and fridge. You even have some glove box storage here in this compartment as well. Tons of cup holders. Again, we have chargers everywhere. Wireless charger here for your passengers. Moving on up, we got twin captain's chairs. On the helm side, it's going to be a double wide. This comes with your bolster, so you can pop that up if you need a better viewpoint when you're docking. This one comes with your joystick piloting that I mentioned. So you got the joystick here. You got your throttle controls here. This one comes with automatic trim. Another super nice feature, you got your Lenco trim tab controls here. Some various switching here for stuff you want to get at quickly. Otherwise, everything can be controlled through your twin Simrads here. Right now, I have it up on the Sea Ray screen. You can see all of our lights illuminated. Shows you exactly where those lights are turning on, which is super nice. You don't have to go find them. On the other side, we have our map. So you can kind of make a combination, customize it however you want to see your information. It's super cool. We also have another stereo head here. On the passenger side, we have a full-size head. Very spacious down there. You have the sink down there as well. Moving on up to the front here, we have plenty of seating as well. Super comfortable cushions throughout the seat backs. We got grab handles, we got flip-down armrests, cup holders everywhere, chargers again. You have storage underneath both of these seats as well. This one flips up. And this would be where your dedicated storage is for all of your filler cushions for the bow here, your tables for the bow or the stern. So it's nice to be able to have a specific spot to put those. But this is just a beautiful boat. Checks a lot of boxes for a lot of people. Super fun to drive. So if you guys like this boat, we'd love to see you here. Give us a call. Let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching.